equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to this detailed guide on installing the operating system and setting up backups for your Lenovo IdeaPad 510. Let's dive right in. First, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips head screwdriver, a USB flash drive with at least 8 GB of space, and a reliable internet connection. Begin by powering off your Lenovo IdeaPad 510 and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, flip the laptop over to access the back panel. You'll notice several screws holding the panel in place. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and set them aside in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to damage any clips. Inside, you'll see the hard drive and RAM. If you're planning to upgrade these components, now is a good time to do so. Remember to handle all components with care to avoid static damage. Now, let's focus on installing the operating system. Insert your USB flash drive into the laptop. You'll need to create a bootable USB drive if you haven't done so already. You can use tools like Rufus or the Windows Media Creation tool for this purpose. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, and our pickup and delivery at your home service can make this process easier for you. Once your USB is ready, restart your laptop and press the appropriate key to enter the boot menu. Usually F12 or Escape, select your USB drive from the list and hit Enter. This will initiate the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to select your language, time, and keyboard preferences. When prompted, choose Custom Installation to ensure a clean install. Select the drive where you want to install the operating system. If you have multiple partitions, you may want to delete them to create a single partition for the new installation. Be sure to back up any important data before doing this. After the installation completes, your laptop will restart. You'll need to go through the initial setup process, including creating a user account and setting up your preferences. Now, let's set up a backup system. It's crucial to regularly back up your data to avoid loss. You can use Windows Backup and Restore or third-party software like Acronis True Image. To set this up, go to Settings, then Update and Security, and select Backup. Choose your backup drive and set a schedule that suits you. If you prefer not to deal with this yourself, remember we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. Plus, with our no calls, no travel policy, you can manage everything from the comfort of your home. Finally, ensure your laptop is clean and dust-free. Use compressed air to blow out any dust from the vents and internal components. This will help maintain optimal performance. Once everything is set up, replace the back panel and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Power on your Lenovo IdeaPad 510, and you're ready to go. Enjoy your new setup and remember to keep your backups updated regularly. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.